Do you want to learn how a puny investment of a couple of dollars can save you precious thousands in your bank accounts? It promises to bulk up your account as well. If your answer is a yes, then welcome aboard. This video will reward you with the best books on investing to ensure your money stays safe and grows. The financial market is a treacherous world full of dangerous monsters in every corner. One misstep and your money could be eaten whole in a flash. Investors, whether novice or seasoned, make blunders in the hope of doubling their fortune and end up losing years of worth saving because they lack financial wisdom. The first and smart step to making the right investment is to seek guidance from the masters of finance and investing. Begin with the best book on investment authored by an expert to learn how to add more zeros to your current fortune. Hundreds of books have been written on business and investing, but I have picked the top 10 best ever written on the subject. They contain practical strategies and tips to help investors avoid dumb and impulsive decisions and learn how to create lasting wealth. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Links to the books are given in the description below. Number 10. Just Keep Buying by Nick Maggiulli. He is well known for writing a famous blog of Dollar and Data, where he gives his 2 cents on business intelligence. He is acknowledged for his data-driven outlook on personal finance and investing. Just Keep Buying is a remarkable book that carries the answers to all your questions about saving and investing. Unlike the finance industry and numerous popular finance books, this one gives you answers based on authentic facts and figures. It is like your personal guide, who will hold your hand and guide you every step of the way in the investment process. Nick crunches numbers to give you tested roadmaps to create wealth. He will teach you why and where to invest your money and how you can accumulate funds. You will learn how to pull through a financial crisis or an economic collapse. Nick's captivating and engaging writing style makes it easy to understand. If you are planning to get into investing world, this book will be an invaluable asset throughout the process. Number 9. The Outsiders by William Mint Thorndike. He is a graduate of Harvard and Stanford business schools. Thorndike established Housatonic Partners. It's a private equity firm, and he's the managing director of it. He is a sea of knowledge in business evaluation and investing, and got worldwide recognition for his book, The Outsiders. The reason I am discussing this book at the beginning of this video is that it is the best option if you are starting to learn about investing. The book explores the stories of 8 exceptional business leaders who redesigned the corporate landscape with their unconventional traits and management styles. You will meet business titans like Warren Buffett, Stilson Hutchins, John C. Malone, and Tom Murphy. These outsiders shunned Wall Street's hottest management trends and made bold decisions for establishing long-term value for shareholders. The book will educate you on how their think-out-of-the-box approach, strategic vision, risk management, and effective capital allocation put their companies on winning trajectories. If you want to learn how to invest to reap extraordinary returns, take help from the outsiders. Number 8. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. He is a multi-talented individual, an author, an established businessman, and an entrepreneur. Yet he has no formal educational background in business or finance. He is the developer of the famous educational board game, Cashflow 101. The minute you decide to embark on your financial journey, Rich Dad, Poor Dad is one of the books you must read. The book shares the contrasting mindsets and economic strategies of the 2 father figures of the author. Kiyosaki narrates the lessons he learned from his biological father, Poor Dad, who worked paycheck to paycheck, and his friend's father, Rich Dad, a self-made entrepreneur. The book will teach valuable lessons. For instance, assets versus liabilities, and learning to make money work for you. It teaches you how to take calculated risks, use your talents and resources to acquire financial freedom, and steer clear of possessions that feed on your bank accounts. Number 7. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. He is a renowned literary figure in the field of behavioral economics, finance, and investing. Morgan has written for popular publications like the Wall Street Journal. His book, The Psychology of Money, brought him widespread recognition. It's a short book of 19 chapters that explores the complicated relationship individuals have with money. Instead of keeping up with the Joneses, it teaches how our unique history, behavior, emotions, and peculiar incentives bear a significant influence over our financial results. Morgan argues that financial success transcends mere number crunching, balance sheets, and market predictions. He uses inspiring anecdotes and time-tested principles to teach us how to understand our distinct financial psychologies and make informed financial choices to create substantial and lasting wealth. Morgan isn't concerned with getting wealthy. He is interested in staying wealthy. To drive his message home, he uses examples of successful business leaders like Warren Buffett and Bill Gates. If you want to learn how to gain more financial security, take help from this remarkable book. Number 6. Margin of Safety by Seth A. Klarman. He is a graduate of Harvard Business School and founder of the Bookish Group. He is a celebrated hedge fund manager. In addition to his achievements in the world of finance, he has a passion for collecting rare and historical literary pieces. Margin of Safety is akin to gospel among financial enthusiasts and value investors. The book explores Klarman's philosophy of value investing, which is profoundly influenced by none other than the legendary Benjamin Graham. The idea of making instant millions is too alluring, and investors keep falling prey to the hottest trends of Wall Street. Klarman underscores the significance of the margin of safety, while making investments to provide a cushion against the market's unpredictability. The book reveals practical strategies for value-based investing and case studies to help readers get a better understanding of the financial markets. He teaches you how to buy assets prudently to avoid losing money in the future. Number 5. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. He received worldwide recognition as the record-setting fund manager of the Fidelity Magellan Fund. Aside from his achievements in finance, Peter is also a committed author and educator. He has authored several gems, including One Up on Wall Street, Learn to Earn, and Beating the Street. One Up on Wall Street is a captivating handbook that lets you peep into the realm of stock market from an insider's lens. Lynch narrates his trek from an inexperienced investor to becoming a renowned Wall Street titan. The book highlights easy-to-grasp concepts like investing in known companies and industries. You will learn about Lynch's hallmark 10-bagger philosophy. It emphasizes identifying stocks that have the potential to multiply your fortune tenfold. The book gives you a sneak peek at the psychology of the stock market and tips to steer clear of short-term rise and fall of the market. If you are interested in stocks and investing, you cannot afford to ignore this book. Number 4. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. He is a multi-talented individual, a radio host, a famous author, and a financial expert. Dave also hosts The Dave Ramsey Show. He is a staunch advocate of a debt-free life. The Total Money Makeover is one of his numerous best-selling books. It contains Ramsey's magical tips and tricks to convert your nearly dead bank accounts into bulky cash machines. The book introduces us to an individual who is neck-deep in debt. His rise from this financial mayhem to lasting wealth begins when he meets Dave Ramsey. He shows the protagonist his revolutionary Ramsey's baby steps to fatten his bank account. The book explains how you can identify those money myths that are fatal to your finances. It gives strategies to overcome challenges like impulsive spending on luxuries. Ramsey encourages building a big emergency fund and provides other similar invaluable tips to help financial freedom. Number 3. Beating the Street by Peter Lynch. For anyone interested in finance and investing, Peter Lynch's name knocks the socks off. So it is unavoidable to mention him twice in my list. Besides, it is another gem in investing, thereby deserves mentioning. Beating the Street is a valuable guide for both inexperienced and experienced investors. It is a follow-up to Lynch's best-selling book we just discussed a few minutes ago, One Up on Wall Street. Here again, the author will narrate his journey to becoming a legendary fund manager. Lynch shares his experiences from when he was the manager of the Fidelity Magellan Fund, one of the most victorious mutual funds in history. He teaches the readers how to single out investment opportunities through attentive monitoring of everyday life and identifying potential companies before they appear on every investor's radar. It discusses numerous stock types to help readers understand different segments of the market. You will learn the risks of market timing and other actionable guidelines, so get yourself a copy right away. Number 2. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. He was a soldier, a writer, and a businessman. He was a soldier in the U.S. Army at the time of the Spanish-American War. He is well known for writing a series of pamphlets on achieving financial success. His most popular parables were assembled into a book, The Richest Man in Babylon. It is quite an old book, but remains one of the best texts on finance and investing to date. Call it a modern-day classic in the world of finance and business books. The book narrates the story of a rich man, Arkad, and a poor man, Bansir. Readers are taken back to the ancient Babylon city. Bansir and his buddy Kabi are overwhelmed with financial struggle and ask Arkad to guide them on how to get out of the quagmire. Through Arkad's wisdom, The author teaches us valuable lessons for creating wealth. The book contains cures to our financial ails and illustrates what principles to follow to avoid debts and make money work for us. In a nutshell, it is an excellent book for learning how to manage money, invest wisely, and grow wealth. Number 1. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. He was a renowned American economist and considered the father of value investing for pioneering value investing philosophy. He was also a mentor of Warren Buffett. Yes, the same old man who is now regarded as the most successful investor there has ever been. As the title suggests, the book tells you how to invest your money astutely. It is known as the Bible of stock market and investing. Buying this book is one of the best investments you can make for yourself. Benjamin has shared his value investing philosophy in this book that had and still protects capitalists from significant blunders. It also offers insightful guidance for making long-term strategies for sustainable results. Through the journey of a person longing for financial success, Benjamin teaches you the value of extensive research, risk management, and a long-term view for increasing fortune. He advocates a patient and educated approach when making investments. The book shares valuable strategies and concepts like Mr. Market to highlight the illogical behavior of the financial market. Whether you are a novice or a seasoned investor, this book is a must-read if you want to make prudent investments. You can learn how to never lose your precious dollars if you follow in the footsteps of the world's best investors and business experts. I have listed investing books written by legends of finance to give you a starting point. Their acumen will help you make the right investing choices to ensure your money continues to grow. So, happy reading. If the video helps you find the next book you are going to read, then like and share this video. Let me know in comment section on what type of books I should cover in my next video. Also, if you read one of the book mentioned in this video, share your review or thoughts with us. Subscribe this channel for more such awesome videos. Thanks for watching.